Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medcom Companion channel. Today in this session we will discuss how vitamin C helps to boost our immune system. It is now in common practice to consume vitamin C tablets to improve our immune system. So how vitamin C helps to boost our immune system and what is the chemistry behind free radical and ascorbic acid? Let's begin our discussion. So this is our molecule, normal molecule which is present in our body, and this molecule have two electrons in a single bond. So during normal metabolic process, what happens? This molecule breaks down into a free radical. And what is the characteristic feature of free radical? Free radicals have only single electron. So this molecule breaks apart into two different fragments, and each fragments get an electron. So these are free radicals, and the characteristic property of this free radical is that they are highly reactive and highly unstable. You need to understand that these are highly unstable. So what they will do, they try to capture electron from some other atoms or other molecules in the body and get stabilized. But as soon as this free radical are generated, they begins to accumulate in our body. And there are so many free radicals when accumulated in our body, they developed a oxidative stress, and this oxidative stress is very serious for our body because these accumulated free radicals, when they comes in contact with liver cell, they damage liver. When they comes in contact with brain cell, they damage brain. When they comes in contact with kidney, they damage kidney. And when they comes in contact with heart muscles, they damage heart muscles and leads to severe heart disorder. So suppose if these free radicals comes in contact with immune cell like WBC lymphocytes and phagocytes, then what happens? The consequences of this is that our immune system get weakens, or our immune system regularly fallen down or gets weakened. Now what our body will do to react with this free radical or to balance this free radical? So again there is a vitamin which is known by the name vitamin C or ascorbic acid. Chemically it is ascorbic acid. So this vitamin C, what it will do, this vitamin C not synthesized in our body completely depend upon this vitamin from external source like fruits and vegetables. So what this vitamin C actually do? So this is the chemical structure of vitamin C. This vitamin C, it act as a free radical scavenger. Free radical scavenger means what? This free radical usually have a single electron. So this is highly unstable. And how this free radical gets stabilized? It only gets stabilized by acquiring an electron. So here this vitamin C provides a single electron to this free radical species so that it get converts into stabilized form. Here in vitamin C there is a lone pair of electron present on this oxygen. So vitamin C sharing or giving, not sharing, vitamin C is actually providing a single electron to this free radical so that this free radical, which is highly unstable, converts into a neutral molecule and get stabilized. But during this mechanism, vitamin C itself gets converted into ascorbate radical. So the problem is not solved yet. In order to stabilize this molecule, this vitamin C gets converted into ascorbate radical. But actually this ascorbate radical is formed here, but this ascorbate radical is not as unstable as these free radicals are here. Why? What is the mechanism which makes this vitamin C or ascorbate radical stable? So here you can see this single electron here get stabilized by delocalization. So the red dotted line shown here, it shows that this single electron is delocalizing from this oxygen to carbon to oxygen. So this delocalization makes, or this resonance makes this ascorbate radical stable. So The only difference between this free radical and this ascorbate radical is that they are highly reactive and highly unstable, but they are very less reactive and they are highly stable due to this delocalization. So in this way, this oxidative stress is completely lowered down by daily consumption of vitamin C. So as soon as you are continue to take vitamin C, this oxidative stress is not developed in your body, and as soon as this oxidative stress is not there, so there is no damage to the immune cell. So immune cells of our body work properly and they fight against the invading bacteria or virus or any other pathogens which causes serious harms to our body. So in this way, this vitamin C helps to boost our immune system. I hope